Today I'm making my chicken Parmesan. Start by thinly slicing the chicken breast. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Season the chicken with salt, the pepper, and the Italian seasoning. Pour the buttermilk over the chicken till completely covered. Let the chicken soak for 15 minutes to up to 24 hours in the refrigerator. Pat off the excess milk using a few paper towels. Add the avocado oil to a heated pan. Add the chicken and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Slice the cheese and set that aside. After the chicken is cooked, add the sauce and then the cheese. Put the chicken in the broiler for a minute or two just to melt and brown the cheese. Add the sauce to the pasta and mix together. And now just put some of the pasta on a plate. Place the chicken on the pasta. And then sprinkle with some Italian seasoning. Thanks for watching.